Alright, hello everybody. We are rolling through a Walmart parking lot in Highland, California, also known as my secondary employer, Spark Driver. Anyway, we are heading to the Go Car Wash location that's pretty much right behind the lot here. Now, the reason I mentioned Walmart is because I was doing Walmart Spark Driver, trying to earn a little bit more dough, especially with the rising gas prices here in California, which is a whole other thing. And I was like, I may as well do this car wash while I'm out here. And I have all my equipment with me too, so what better opportunity. Now this one is not originally a Go location. They bought it from somebody else who I forgot. I guess our entrance is to the left here. Members only on the left. I'm sorry, on the right.
Hello.
Howdy.
Let me give you a menu. What kind of wash are we getting for you today?
What's the Go Premier and the Go Big difference?
So the difference is this one's only going to have ceramic shield and your wax. This one's going to have the wax, ceramic, and the graphene. The graphene is what repels the dirt and the water stains. Ceramic is what makes your car glossy.
You know what? I'll just go for the Go Premier one time.
Got you. Here's that for you.
Thank you.
Your receipt's going to have $5 off. It's going to be good until the 5th, all right?
Sounds great. Whenever
it decides to process.
Yeah, I know the feeling.
All right, have a wonderful day.
Yep, thank you. You too. Oh my gosh. Cam? What are you doing here, man? You moved? You threw me. Oh my god. I knew you from Fast 5, right?
Yes.
Well, I'll see you later, man. Good seeing you. So that's Cam that you guys are looking at right there. Small world. I used to work with him when I worked at Fast 5 Beaumont. I was not expecting to see him here. Thank you. Oh, that was one heck of a reunion. I did it. He threw me off and like I recognized him for a sec. He's still subscribed to my channel, so shout out to you, Cam. I'm assuming you'll see this. Out of all the dings, man, all the things, man. Going to give someone a seizure. Hope no one in this video has epilepsy. So I actually just came from the last car wash that I just did, which was the Highland Express Care. It didn't do all that good of a job. As a matter of fact, my car looked better going in. So let's see how the car looks now. May as well use the vacuum foam here too. Oh, I like my new license plate frame. It's true. Yeah, significantly better than the last wash I just did. No doubt. Yeah, 21 bucks, that ain't half bad.